Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can make $1,000 per month by using this AI method, and a very few people knows about it. There are a lot of chances you will get success in this method and you will make $1,000 per month. So it's gonna be very easy and all the work will be done by AI. So let's get into the video. First of all, just came into the Fiverr. This is one of the best freelancing website where you can offer your services. People will hire you and pay you for the work. So here you will search article to video. Okay, so here you can see here a lot of people are doing this service. They are converting the article to video, and in this video I'm going to show you, I'm going to teach you how you can make these kind of videos and offer these services to Fiverr. Okay, so here this is a person, let's suppose this one. He has completed almost 762 orders and he has like 11 orders in queue, and you can see he is charging $25 per video. So if we calculate 762 multiply 25, okay, let's suppose 22. So you can see here he has made over $16,764. so that's enough. And these are the other ones who are offering these services, and even this person is charging $25 for just 3-minute video, and 4 to 6 minute video he's charging $45, and for 8 to 10 minute video he's charging $65 per video, and he has 6 orders active. This work is very easy and very easy to do. In this service the client will provide you the script. I have the script, you can see here. This is about the top 5 best exercise for improving your health. Now I have the script. I will use the 11 labs website for the voiceover. So I have pasted the script and click on generate. So here my voice will start generating. When the voiceover is done, simply click on the download option and click this voiceover. Now just came into the Pictory.ai. This is one of the best AI tool to make videos by using text. So simply click on script to video because we have the script. Simply paste your script and click on the proceed. Then there will be the options to select your template. I am going to select this one. Here choose the ratio of the video. I am going to choose a 16:9. This is the ratio for the YouTube video, and now it will start making the video. Okay, so boom, the video is ready. You can see here the complete video has done. Now you can customize the video according to your requirement. Click on the text bar and select the size, like maybe 25, and just see, like, yeah, it's good now, and make this text down to the screen. And now you have all the scenes, and just see which scene is not looking good. Like this one, scene 5, there is overall text on the screen. Just came here and make the size 25, and that will be shorter now. In this way you can edit all of the scenes according to the requirement of the client. And if you want to change any of the clip of the video, let's suppose I want to change this one. Now came into the visuals, and you can select any of the video here. Let's suppose I am going to select this one. Click on this and this will automatically change. Now you have all overall options to change the scenes of the videos. If you want to put any audio file here, like we have done the voiceover, click on my uploads and upload the voiceover file. And now you have to adjust the voiceover according to the video. Okay, so you can see here it's a good video. Okay, so now we have the voiceover in the video and our video is completely ready. If you want to do any changes, there are a lot of options to do any of your changes you want. So now click on download, and now click on the video, and your video will start downloading. I recommend you, if you got your first order on Fiverr, then please go on the Pictory upgradation and upgrade your package, so you will not get any of the watermark on the video. Thanks for watching. Will you meet you in the new video? Bye bye.